Yeah, it's been a couple of years. I mean, I've been wanting to do it, but I just, once again, the ambition wasn't there and all that. And yes, it was like this when I got it. It was like this when I saw it, and I think it actually works. But since this is my first one, I'm not going to do anything with it until I probably get a better one. Or if somebody wants to buy this off me, then hey, I'm open to offers. But yeah, this is one of them ILG Box Fans. And I got an interesting story about this. It was 3rd grade and whatever. And in the cafeteria, because the school was built in like the 50s or whatever, up against the wall, there were a couple ILG fans as well as the wind makers. If I thought about it, I could have brought the 18-inch wind maker with me to say that, hey, it's there. But I remember these being up against on the wall with a stand, and it does have holes for the stand. I'll show that off in a minute. And it's just that when I saw this and the motor was in the front and the blades were spinning counterclockwise, I thought it was just weird. I mean, 3rd grade me, which would have made it about 8, 9. Either way, I thought it was just weird because I've always been used to seeing blades go clockwise as opposed to counterclockwise with the motor in the back. But as I've gotten older, I'm realizing that fan companies were all over and they did everything. So yeah, let's take a look around and see what needs to be seen. Well, here's the front. This is the side, which has the holes for the stand. Back, which honestly looks like the front. And other side. And I'm not sure the model number because the switch plate is so worn out it's not even funny. So, I guess without further delay, here's how. And if you see some dust spewing out, it's been sitting in a dusty corner for a couple of years, so that's what it is, just all dust. Medium. Low. Very little difference between medium and low. It's really not all that loud. And we'll check the spin down time now. And I have not done a thing to this. I haven't oiled it or greased it or whatever. Cool. Yeah, as you can see, the switch plate is worn out. You can barely make out it says ILG Ventilation Chicago, Illinois, and that's pretty much all it means. You can also barely make out the OHML. So, if anybody has idea what this model number is, please let me know. The comment box is open. But we have the amp meter, so cut off how high. It's running a little high. Medium. Low. Like I said, very little difference between medium and low. Not high. But yeah, running 2.42 amps and you saw the startup, that kind of bothers me. Maybe that's why I don't use it very much, partly because the buzziness also concerns me. But like I said, I'm not an expert on this, so somebody else might be, so please, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Kill it. Alright guys, I guess that's going to do it for the HD remake show and tell of this ILG wall-mounted box fan, which unfortunately there's no information on it available at this time, but like I said, somebody may know what it is and comment on it. So yeah, this one I felt that yeah, another chapter in my life closed, and think of it as another demon being buried. I had more to say about this, but I'm not going to worry about it. So I guess until next time, whenever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching, and the comic box is open.